Get ready. 80 words per minute. 5 seconds. Start. Watch it, grasp it. Seamless digital learning via OAKS. Despite the COVID pandemic, schools and institutions run by the state government have been able to provide seamless education to 3.5 lakh students from classes 3 to 10 due to one Hyderabad based EduTech platform. OAKS online adaptive knowledge system learning and education technology platform being offered by Sunita Infovision is providing digital learning solutions to students from various government run schools including Telangana Social Welfare Residential Educational Institutions Society, Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Educational Institutions Society, Telangana Minorities Residential Educational Institutions Society, Telangana Residential Educational Institutions Society, and Integrated Tribal Development Agency, Bhadrachalam. The platform has seen substantial growth during the pandemic. Although we have been offering our solutions since 2018 to government schools, it was in 2020 that we are seeing good adoption for our platform among teachers and students. Keeping this mind, we made some additions to the platform, including online classes along with topic based videos, knowledge diagnosis tests, and practice tests for students. Our platform works for all three stakeholders: teachers who get an assistant teacher, students who get a tutor anywhere, anytime, and managements who get an analytic based data bank of their schools performance, said Suman Macha, Chief Executive Officer, OAKS. The platform cuts down a 40-minute class into a 3-minute video snippet to get the attention of students. And in case a student is not aware of any concept, then it suggests other videos to understand a concept better. We marry technology with content, and we deal with three subjects: English, Maths, and Science. However, some of our videos are available in Telugu and Hindi as well, wherein we make the student understand a particular concept in the language of their choice, he said. According to Macha, reports suggest that only 15 to 20% of students are able to grasp whatever is being taught in class. However, after getting onboarded on their platform, this number has gone up to 65%. Not just regular school syllabus, the platform also provides IIT, JEE and MBBS coaching for selective students, and with the help of the platform, the tribal welfare and social welfare schools have seen about 709 students clear IIT mains in 2020 and 135 students clear MBBS entrance test in forms Macha. All this shows that students learning through our platform are seeing 38% improvement in their knowledge, gaining skills, and we are hoping to fully implement our platform in the state education department in the upcoming academic year as well, he said. Along with government schools, the platform also has about 1000 private schools using their platform, and overall 4 lakh students are using OAKS to get a better understanding of concepts and gain proper knowledge.